Well, I finally got my latest renovation. It's an end terraced, quite a big end terrace, the same as the last property I had, the same type. I paid more than I paid for the last one, and I'm going to get less for it, just the way the market is. It's got some nice wrought iron gates. I don't know if they work, but they're quite fancy, so hopefully I'll be able to get them working. It's got a tree at the front that's coming down and a bush that's coming down. Did have some branches there, but they leant across to where the lieutenant's parked. There they are, so I thought I'm having them down straight away. The house has got double glazing, albeit it's a bit old, so I'm not too sure what to do with that. The door, that's going to have a new composite door. The fascias are good and the gutters are good. Above the front living room window, it's got a lintling. They didn't have them originally when they had the wooden windows, and when they put UPVC windows in, they do collapse above, but this one's been done. I've always had to do them in the past, so that's another job less for me. Concrete fences next door, so I'm going to paint them grey like I did in the last house, so they look smart. All block plate front, which is fairly level, which is pretty good. So hopefully it's not going to come up perfect by the looks of it, but I should get it pretty clean with a jet edge. Go around the back. The shed, that's coming down, shit. Big tree. So here's the back. So here we can see a tree coming down. Bit of a what do you call it? I forgot what it's called. So here's some more trees. That tree is quite big, but it's not that big. I've done worse. So the patio area again is paved, so that can be done. Let me step on this decking. That's what it's called. So all this is coming down. Someone's a tree will be removed there. So here's the back. So we'll be taking out that door, putting French windows in as usual. All double glazed at the back. So yeah, I might be able to keep the double glazing. Let's see. Oh, right. Let's go in the house. Let's go through the keyhole. Who lives in a house like this? So here we go, hallway. Someone's put some new door frames in at some point. It's had some money spent on it, but a few years ago, maybe, I don't know, 10, 15 years ago, plasterwork, there's a bit of a crack there. That's a bit loose in the hall, but it's not too bad. Here's the front room. So the chimney breast removed. I've got the paperwork for that. So apparently a Turkish guy lived in here before the last people, and he removed it, and next door complained because he didn't have permission, so he had to go through the official channels then, which is good. Thank you, next door. So here we go. We've got double glazing again, radiator, laminate floor. That's coming out. It's just tired. But the skirts, it's got new skirting boards. I might be able to keep them. I don't know. But plasterwork looks like it's been plastered in here. Might be able to just touch up and paint. Kitchen, a bit tired, but quite modern. I might be able to do something with it. I don't know yet. But it might just come out. It might just all come out. It's got a boiler, glowworm, so that should be fine. Should be able to get away with that, clean it up. Plasterwork in here looks pretty good. Ceiling, cracking it, I can touch that up. So the hallway has got, normally when I come in here they've got the hardboard on there covering the spindles, which are normally square, the original, but someone's updated it to turn spindles, which as it happens are not in fashion at the moment. The square ones are in fashion, so I wish they'd left the square ones in, but I'll just paint them. I'm not going to go to the trouble of bleaching them out. Just paint them white, all white, and it'll look nice. It'll be all white, yeah, all white, mate, all white. So I've been in London too long, obviously. So here's the stairs, and there's this carpet ripping out. Again, the plasterwork's not too bad. Ceilings need plastering. Gonna be a bit lazy on this one, I think. The front box room, yeah, the flooring needs ripping out. Might be able to carpet over it yet. Getting lazier and lazier. Ceiling needs plastering. The plasterwork might be alright with a bit of a lick of paint. I can put some undercoat on and see how it comes, I don't know. Front room, again, plasterwork looks not too bad. Ceiling needs replastering. It's got 2 light fittings in there, 1 fan and 1 light fitting. Normally they build them in one, it just looks a bit weird up there. Ceiling needs plastering. Cupboard in the hallway has got a tank in it. I don't know if I need that tank because it's got a boiler on. I don't know. Might have to consult my plumber to get him to have a look at it. And there's the back bedroom, which again the plasterwork looks not too bad. Ceiling needs replastering, but yeah, I might be able to get away without plastering, which is great because I hate plastering. But I don't mind this. I don't mind too much, but it does take it out on me because I'm not with my ankylosing spondylitis. Here we go, getting a little violin out. I do suffer. But here's the bathroom. It is rather dated and worn. All these ripping out. As you see, under the sink there, all the boxing in for the pipework, so that needs to go under the floor. So I will take this down to bare brick. It's easier. Just knock all, instead of trying to knock the tiles off and keeping the plaster, just take the fucking lot off. And yeah, replaster the ceiling. So excuse that swear word then. Right, and there's the hallway looks okay. So that's Revo's latest renovation. So hopefully should turn it round pretty 3 months, maybe. Hopefully. There's always something that you find extra, but let's just see. This is only day one of just. Today is basically ringing around the utility companies and ringing around for the council tax, get them all in place, change some of the light fittings to pendants because can't see with some of these light fittings. So now I'm just blabbering on now. So I'm going to go. So I hope you enjoyed the little walk round of Revo's latest renovation.